A very important topic that I wanted to cover about ensuring the alignment with the organizational strategy. Projects are not standalone entities, and they exist to serve the larger goals of the organization. In this session, we'll talk about how project must support the broader organization objectives, how to ensure the execution is aligned with the value delivery, and some of these challenges when it comes to misalignment that can lead to wasted resources and amid the goals. The importance, let's start by talking the importance of strategic alignment. So, strategic alignment helps ensuring that the project efforts contribute directly to business objectives. Aligning the execution with the strategy ensure the relevance and making a positive impact for the organization. By promoting efficient resource utilization, you may enhance the stakeholder confidence and ensures that your project are aligned with the broader organizational goals and objectives. Let's take an example here in a renewable energy company. Focusing on sustainability might prioritize the project that reduces the carbon footprints or improve the energy efficiency. Such alignment not only optimizes the resource use, but also it demonstrates to stakeholders that the company is dedicated to its strategic vision. The tools and techniques that is used to maintain the alignment. So, maintaining the alignment requires a proactive management techniques, such as using the project charters to define the objectives, also aligning the key performance or KPIs with the strategic goals, and ensure to conduct a regular strategy reviews during the execution to ensure the alignment. Managing the executive expectations. So, managing executive expectation is critical for ensuring a strategic alignment. By establishing a clear communication channels with the executives and providing a regular progress update that aligns with these strategic priorities and addressing the concerns proactively to maintain the trust. For instance, in an IT modernization project, presenting the regular updates on how system upgrades align with the cost reduction or productivity goals reassures the executive about the project direction. And this transparency fosters a trust and ensures continuous support. Strategic decision making and execution. Strategic decision making ensures that the project execution aligns with the bigger picture. So the decision should reflect long term organizational goals, also by using, let's say, risk reward analysis to evaluate these choices and prioritizing the initiatives that maximizes the strategic value. And let's take an example here when deciding between two suppliers for a critical component that is needed with your project. By your project, a company might choose the more expensive option if it's better aligns with the sustainability goals. And this decision supports the organization's long term strategy while ensuring the project success. The common tools that you can use to ensure the alignment, the alignment of execution with your organizational strategy. Tools like the Balanced Scorecard and Objectives and key results, the OKRs, provide a structured format to align the project execution with the strategic goals. So leverage these tools like the Balance Scorecard and the OKRs. You may also use a project portfolio management software for the alignment. So you can gather all of these projects that you have implemented about a certain goal or about certain objective that is aligned with your organizational strategy. You can also conduct alignment workshop with the stakeholder to ensure that all of your stakeholders are aligned, let's say, with the project objectives and organizational strategy. Let's look at one of these case study that addresses the strategic alignment. In a scenario where a retail chain launched a project to implement an AI-powered recommendation engine for its e-commerce platform, by aligning, or let's say the approach here, by aligning the project objectives with the strategic goal of enhancing the customer loyalty. As a result, the company improved the personalization and retention rate, and this alignment translated into 15% increase in repeat purchases, demonstrating the power of strategic focus. When addressing the misalignment issue, it's often stem from unclear goals or changing organizational priorities. And to address these misalignment issues, start by identifying the root cause of misalignment, such as unclear objectives or shifting priorities. After that, you need to realign the project activities throughout stakeholder engagement. Also, utilize the change control process to address these gaps and to ensure the alignment, whatever project that you're doing, to align with the organizational objectives. How to monitor the strategic alignment during the execution? So, monitoring alignment ensures that the execution stays on course or on track. You can use metrics and dashboards to track the alignment. Also, schedule a periodic alignment reviews, as well as adjusting the execution strategies as needed to ensure the alignment of your project with the organizational strategy and objectives. To summarize our session on ensuring the alignment with the organizational strategy during the execution phase and how it aligns with the organizational goals. We say that ensuring the alignment with the organization strategy is not just one time effort. It requires continuous monitoring, a proactive communication, and strategic decision making. We looked about the tools that can be utilized to ensure this alignment, and we looked also the importance of having a proactive communication and decision making with its importance to align the project execution with the organizational objectives and strategy.